Glory to His Holiness, His Excellency, Swami Lakshman Das Avadhut Ji Maharaj, who has been an incarnation of Almighty Lord on this earth for all us, our devotees. His concern for environment and climate change and for seeking God has been an example for entire world, for all his devotees. The world as of now has been facing with two very great problems, eminent problems. One is the climate change. You must have seen cloud bursts almost all around the year in the Uttarakhand and all over the world. A series of earthquakes all over the world. Flash floods in the Europe. For the first time you must have seen that the Greenland, which used to have snow all around during the rains, it received rains. Some of the very I would say, which are not commonly found, uncommon species of fish have been found dead on the seaside. There has been untimely and sudden eruption of volcanoes. One of them is the La Palma volcano in Spain very recently. About 36 feet height, the springs have come out of the volcano, hot molten lava, and the entire locality and the community had to be evacuated. So one of the major problems the world facing towards its survival is climate change, which is created by the human beings themselves, and the other is inter-religion disputes. They are also human made, and there are regular controversies and sometimes crusades or communal disharmony. So religious harmony and climate change are two very important problems of the world. And in the memory of Param Puja Swami Lakshman Das Avadhut Ji, we conduct this international conference every year from Gangotri, our Lakshman Kutir, from where we conduct our philanthropic work. We invite the saints from Uttarakhand, Uttarkashi and Gangotri area. We serve them. We organize eye camps, medical camps, Ayurveda, yoga and Panchkarma camps for all of them from time to time, and also distribute study material to the students, the uniforms, shoes, water bottle, books, copies, etc. to almost 500 students of Uttarakhand area. This year, for the last 2 years rather, we have been conducting this program on webinar due to the corona pandemic. And this year also, we are conducting this program of webinar, and during this program, we will be also taking you to our ashram, to a visit to the ashram and show the holy Ganges and our layout of the ashram and the service we do from ashram. And today's program will start with the memories with the Gurudev, Swami Lakshman Das Avadhut Ji. Our speakers will dwell upon from point number 2 to point 6, and I'll ask my technical team to start the program. Thank you very much.